ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel. Like, a comment, subscribing. Turning on notification, no? So that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for. Yeah, brother. Oh, yeah, NDC MP. Madina. Second time MP. Francis Xavier Sosu. That's why she. That's why she brutal. I was a Madina Zongo Junction for Kolan in the Umunti Jai. Assembly saying. Ayɛ Madina Nkolano, any youth no, Omusu. Omusu say, Ejuma ni ho. Ejuma eni ho. Omu bebre a omu ye entrepreneurs and ase na omu try say omu ye omu business nso no. Enam aban we settings nti omu ejuma nyina egu. Right? Omu ejuma egu. Enti omako hia omu MP bisa MP no say o. Ye bredodo. Se say there, ye da kiosk mu nyina. Ye nim the way out. There seems to be, I say every day, day after day, Nyamano is only getting worse. MP, ye paucho, plan ben, enao, anywhere buying, my, because ye bredodo, boye, MP, boye, MP ato abama, and also boye, why, now crop for ye bre. Amuka wie no, bra penny lawyer so sorry. Or see me Crawford. People of Madina, I stand before you today as your member of parliament to tell you that whatever it is you are going through, don't give up. I know you are going through tough times. But you are not the only one who has been through tough times. Even I, your MP, I slept in a kiosk before. So if you are sleeping in a kiosk today, it is no news. So the fact that you are sleeping in a kiosk, so government should do what? Government should come and build you a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, a 5-bedroom apartment because you are the only person in the country. If I, a whole lawyer, have slept in a kiosk, then how much more you, an SHS leaver? How much more you, a JHS leaver? How much more you, a Quen singer? Please, let's all respect one another. Don't call I, your honorable MP, and tell me such bullshit again. Because the next time you call me to come and hear such nonsensical statements, is not going to end well for all of us. So, people of Madina, I thank you. We shall all rise. Ayɛ zoo. We are Mizu. We are Mizuza. Zaza. I'll see you when you see me. Bye-bye. Ebushanfo, enu nekosu. Enu nekosu Madina. And say no, youth no, both. Sana, ebra na speech do kosu nyina na omu nti ase. Because when you say NDC for bebre na omu nti brofo. Enti MP no free ho na. Ase MPP ni bi betwem. And I say me your recording bio, pese embo chire na o chire mu chire. O say MPP ni say okay, mon boy. O wana omo ko bot tape no di chire MPP no say asema MP no kana enio. MP no say mo asem no e fucking. It mo fa asem free no soko. Onusu onu kra o ye lawyer kra no we da kiosk mu pen na mu atise mu no mu da kiosk man ayede tikofo no say omu 2028 on be kire Madina MP no say to me I want musem I was young for before 2028 we musu be break akra because aka 2 years 9 months. So let's go and listen to what Ghanaians think about LDSC or Madina. But before then, for your contribution towards a studio in Ho, total cost $2,300. Udi ba Ghana cedis more, 25,000 Ghana cedis. We will get there. I believe God too much, and I trust you also too much that we will get there. So far, $180. $180. Yes. Udi ba Ghana cedis more, 1,900 Ghana cedis. The God that has started, the God that has touched your heart, will keep touching more people's heart to help. We will do this for the elephant. And I'm going to say na muye de bia, wa pesa osendi ye no. But your nabanda was screen I say, kitwa e bianswa. Whatever you have. Say $1 mpoa, fasendi e beboa. And I'm say, let's listen to this now. I'll see in the next one. Cheers.
Money yo, and then some power there to Gane, on my way, see Abesinko. Na, okay, where I did back one, you for classes and the other to go, the same Ghana today for no. I must say, Sosu, Madina MP.
Yeah.
Catch that, NDC youth, and they say he was once or at a point he slept in the kiosk. He slept in the kiosk. Ene baby a ono abeduni. Enti won jai aban asumugwan aban workers and I say government appointees. Won jai won asumugwan. Na obi antra ne baby ana wonko dware na wonkeda. And this tells how NDC reduces people who support and vote for them to come to power. This is the level will reduce one to. Na debia yakase se wudi enwumachi de koto aba ubeda na ho kwasea. Because at the end of the day utie enwum na enwum no movie ene nsem a wo keka wo mu by heart no eno etimi ma okoto aba the ma political party a uwie a e wose winya saa enwum no different versions na wo boa for 4 years so that enwum no betumi akawasum yie. Enwum no beka wasum yie nti wonama utie enwum no wasum na wani age, then you will forget what they actually supposed to do for you and the country. Enti no adiwe me da say odi abeto. So this is Ghana for you and this is NDC for you and their supporters. Dia ye nyina no anka eyo man chichiro. Ya to about the ma political party anka eyo man chichire ena ka ye chichire and I was say ye chichire. But where we have found ourselves no echire say ubeti asem wo wasum nya opese wote no mahama beba be ka chiro na emum obegya odia ewo se oye no eno de on kan chiro enti no so ba ban mu na se wanye de ewo se oye untimi holding responsible because utata na obeka chiro se dia meti wo masum no dia mema moti wo masum no na meye no ebi ni sen mahama ka chiro yen se onu ankasa kra no ontumi ndwene ma ne ho ye. Mahama ka kire Ghana for se wo uti oman Ghana mu na obi ba be ka kire se obeye adwuma kese de amoman Ghana ka kire nipa ko ne se eyentro na odi entro na odi enye nokre na o ka kire no ani gini so ba na obeye the trivial things nyama kitinketen mawa expect bibi kese emfi no because ontimi nyɛ saa de kɛseɛ ne ma wo ɛno nti na ɛnyɛ me ho wa sɛ NDC for tata MPP for be seen ne if it's a wofi aban mu no watata one but without any evidence, any concrete evidence, because se wan fair no ankata amanfo n'ani na wan sai nipa adwene ama nipa adwene amfidi a wɔso yɛ no so a ube bisa no ensɛm a ɛda kwan mu a wɔsɛ otimi kɔba na ɔsan ɔkɔdwene ho ba na ɔbɛka ho no kra kyerɛw but okeka we kyerɛw a anase ɔtata nkrɔfo na wadwene bɛkɔ ɔmo so no abɛka kyerɛw sɛ san nkrɔfo no even though mwani sunu mu hu ne sɛ wɔn ayɛ ade kɛseɛ de ama ɔman Ghana nanso wɔn abɔ Ghana ka wɔn abɔ Ghana fam na bisa ho sɛ fam bɛn na wabɔ na sɛ obi bɛba bɛyɛ adwuma kɛseɛ de ama ɔman Ghana na akyire no ba bɛto no so sɛ wabɔ ka me prefer no mum kyɛn wo a wobɛka sɛ wo de wongye sika bia wo baabi ayɛ wombɔ ɔman ne ka bia nanso wo baayɛ no wanyɛ hwee no wabɛsɛ time aba bɛgye sika di ensɛm bɛ na yantie mfi skami okujato ablakwa ho efa plane sɛm ho sɛ yɛbɛtɔ plane na nado ka sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔtɔ new order for flight foforo anase presidential jet edema ɔman no NDC for si debi mokɔsoro ba fom Kwame Agbogya ebe trase parliament ho eka kyerɛ MPP for say sempo di amo ye no ebe maga edemfa so kɛseɛ sɛ den kra be bro man Ghana ebe ma Ghana in billions of cedis crap na trillion on put use trillion ebe ma Ghana trillions of dollars crap a won ma kwan okwankwan wo be fa so a wo be sɛ sa deals na ma sign na so mo pese mo sign no wo be sɛ ni nyina eno ne ye ne wakwa ba ene wo se wo beto stop plane de mo man Ghana anya bia plane no eno de emfata se nka na nado abreso no o da ya anka ene mu na mba be yusu anka bi panka sa price na wo be yusu de ato no ana wo de be wo da time no ene anka wo de compare na nado bre na anka be wo fem akyɛn ene but ene wo ko spend kɛse akyɛn enra no nti den na yeye dem pa na Ghana no okwa be so na ebefa yebetime bu Ghana yi because sami demfi enre ya na gold baby amuma kwa gold board for movie akwe enre ya na Bank of Ghana endu 2 years o a wo movie komu wo movie fee honom e de ba one new house mu within a year Dana deteriorate to the extent to say I was say you spending a whooping 11 million Ghana cedis and sana yetimi renovate Bank of Ghana old house way old building no yetimi renovate na kai hu say sa dan no ancient building no dan no materials e kom no different from it say the West Castle it say castle it say your friend is saying just say adanya kese na kan no wo use cement papa wo use anwea papa e de kom ye adwuma no o renovate a wo mre na emu anso na Ghana for Bank of Ghana na wo ye won adwuma enre ya wo film ya no edan na ba fam kra ma kire say sika na we say was spend no etimi si another dine another office or tram modern adema oman Ghana but the NDC person catch say Ghana fo nyina ya ndwene Ghana fo nyina ya dwene no